India's population as on 1st March 2011. 1, 2, 10, 7, 2, 6, 9, 3, 2. India's largest city by population rating table, Mumbai. Number of state and union territories in India, 29 states and 7 union territories. India's population density, 370.2 kilometers square. India's total area, 3.3 million square kilometers. Sex ratio in India according to the 2011 census, 940. National motto of India, Satyamev Jayate. What is the name of India's national aquatic animal? River dolphin. In which century did Portuguese merchants first land in Goa? 16th century. Who designed the Indian Parliament in New Delhi? Edwin Ledsey Lutyens. Which monument was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay? Gateway of India. Which monument was built by Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah in 1591 to commemorate the end of plague? Charminar. Hindi Divas celebrate in India on 14th September. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Kerala. What was the code name of the first nuclear test conducted by India on 18 May 1974 in Dokram, Rajasthan? Smiling Buddha. Which state is known as India Spice Garden? Kerala. On which riverbank is Goa located? Mandovi. Which state in India is the largest producer of soybean? Madhya Pradesh. India won its first Olympic hockey gold in 1928. On which spacecraft did Sharma make his historic trips to space? Soyuz T. Who was the backup crew for Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian in space? Ravish Malhotra. Which is India's first artificial satellite? Aryabhat. IRS series satellites are used for remote sensing. First university established in India, University of Calcutta. The first IIT was established in 1951, known as IIT Kharagpur. Biggest district in India, Kutch, Gujarat. Smallest district in India, Mahe, Puducherry. Arundhati Roy was the first Indian to win a Man Booker Prize. She won for the God of Small Things. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Wular Lake, Kashmir. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Kunchikal Falls. Which wildlife sanctuary declared as first national park in India? Jim Corbett National Park. Which is the first Indian company listed in Nasdaq Stock Exchange? Infosys. Which agreement signed at the end of India-Pakistan War 1971? Shimla Agreement. Which agreement signed at the end of India-Pakistan War of 1971? Shimla Agreement. First Minister of Education who have been awarded with Bharat Ratna Award? Abul Kalam Azad. Rabindranath Tagore, first non-European, won Nobel Prize in 1930 for the book Gitanjali. Gitanjali, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is a collection of 157 poems. Project Tiger in India was started in the year 1973. Which state in India share only one border with Indian state? Sikkim. Which one is the longest bridge over a single river in India? Dhola Sadia Bridge, Assam.